Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can calculate QSP, compare QSP with KSP value, and then use the information from that comparison to determine if a precipitate will form. KSP is the solubility product constant, and it is an equilibrium constant for a slightly soluble ionic compound dissolving in water. It represents the maximum product of the ion concentration at saturation when the solution is in equilibrium with the solid. So we say the higher the KSP, the more soluble the compound will be. Now, QSP, on the other hand, is known as the ion product. And it is the product of the ion concentration at any moment, not necessarily at equilibrium. QSP can also be called the solubility product quotient. So when QSP is equal to KSP, we say that the solution is saturated, which means there is no precipitate. I'm going to be using PPT as precipitate, okay? Now, when QSP is greater than KSP, it means that this solution is supersaturated. Supersaturated, which is the same thing as saying that precipitate will form. And then if you calculate and the QSP value is less than KSP, this simply means that this solution is unsaturated. No precipitate will form. Let's do a calculation related to this. So this question says the solubility product of silver chloride, that is KSP of silver chloride, is equal to 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10. Now, if a solution contains the silver ion concentration of 2.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5 molarity, and the chloride ion concentration of 1 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5 molarity, determine if a precipitate will form. So we have the KSP given to us here. And in order to determine if precipitate will form, we need to calculate QSP. The first thing we do is write out the reaction, which we would usually call the solution reaction. So the silver chloride in solution dissociates into its ions Ag+ and Cl negative. Okay, so that's the reaction. Now, our QSP expression is going to be QSP equals the concentration of Ag+ times the concentration of Cl negative. So it tends to have the same expression as KSP. And what we would just do is plug in these values because they gave us the concentration already. And that would be 2.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5. And then times 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5. And that gives us a 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 as our QSP. Now, comparing the values, we can see here that the KSP is less than the QSP. So we would say QSP is greater than KSP, therefore precipitates will form. And that's your conclusion. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye.